So tonight, I'd like to tell you more about our TipCrop Oasis, which is a grower for microgreens. We started 2 years ago by finding out that there were a lot of common traits between consumers in different areas. First one, of course, we've heard a lot about is better health and nutrition. People want to grow local and organic, and they want to have the pleasure of actually producing food. There is very little, you cannot produce meat at home, but you can grow herbs. People want to experience new tastes, and also they want to have fun with new ingredients. A lot of people talk about convenience. It's not about connectivity, but if you want to buy microgreens today, oftentimes you have to get up really early to get to a market before 11 because it's reserved for professionals. And people want to have something that's personalized, and we also figured out that people wanted to have personalized gamifications. So what are the problems with microgreens? First of all, they don't travel well. They lose vitamins within 2 days after they've been harvested. You have inconsistent quality and taste. They're hard to find, as I mentioned. And also with tabletop growers, I know a lot of you have seen a lot of them, but it's like having an oven where you can only have one temperature. One size does not fit all. So what we did is we came up with a new technology where we tailor the properties of the plants. We give them the spectrum that is ideal for them. And not only can we help them grow faster, but also they taste better. And you can have mint that is more or less peppery for your mojitos, or you can have basil that is sweeter or stronger with mustard. And so what this is about aroma and taste, because people don't want just to have something that looks good, but more importantly, that tastes good. So our technology is individually controlled LEDs. It's scalable to large indoor farming, but we want to start with consumers at home because this way people can experience with herbs and can have more variety. And we are integrating artificial intelligence because not everybody can become a horticultural specialist. So we want to have machine learning to help people become great growers. Our design, we favor affordability over complexity. It provides uniform lighting, which is something that some of these other growers do not provide. When you have something that is just in the center, it's not uniform, for sure. We have a detachable pot so that you can bring it to the table. And we give consumers total flexibility in terms of seed mix. So to conclude, anything is possible, but we want to start getting people from 7 to 77 to grow herbs at home. And we're here to establish partnerships in terms of distribution. So to conclude, TipCrop, it's time to grow. Thank you very much.